As of now, we have seen how we can start making the borders and using dimensions, how can we change the size of the boxes. Now, in this particular video, we will see like what we can do if the content inside a box is way more bigger than the box size, and maybe for some restrictions, we cannot increase the size of a box to a great extent. So in those situations, we will add the scroll bars either vertical or horizontal or both as per our requirement. So let's see a practical implementation where we will see how to add the scroll bars along any box. So let's see the practical implementations now.
Alright, so let's continue with the implementation of scroll bars, and here what I'm going to do is, again, I will make some dimensions with some height and width as we have done earlier, and in case there is some overflow of the content, I would like to add the scroll bar. So let's see what all I am going to do. I've just created a class called scroll with the display as of block, borders 1 pixel, solid red, padding is there, margin, top margin is there, width and height is there, and in case the content is getting overflown, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some scroll element, that is the scroll bar, and I'm using this scroll class right here in this div. You can put anywhere. Alright, here I'm putting it inside a div so that it will be giving you a box kind of look with this particular paragraph, and in case the size and the dimension of the div is not enough for this content, we will see the scroll bars as well. So let's see how it is appearing in the browser. So you can see, like, as the content is big enough, the margin is all there, which I have set in the CSS class. You can see the scroll bars are now appeared on the left, on the right, and on the bottom of this div. So anytime when you want, you can simply use this overflow attribute inside the particular element where you want to get these scroll bars and pass the value scroll, so that you will get the horizontal and vertical scroll bars at a time.